In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use DoorDash gift card. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to tap, and how to make sure your gift card balance is ready to cover your next meal. Start by opening the DoorDash app on your phone or head to the DoorDash website in your browser. The process is nearly identical in both places. Make sure you're logged into the account where you want the balance to live. Gift card funds attach to a specific account, so using the right login up front saves you from confusion later. Once you're in, go to your account area. On the app, that's usually the person icon or the tab labeled account at the bottom. On the website, look for your profile or account menu at the top. From there, you'll see options like gift card, payment methods, or sometimes wallet, depending on your version. Any of these paths works because they all lead to the same place where you can add a gift card to your account. Next, choose Redeem Gift Card. This opens the field where you'll enter your gift card code or PIN. If you received a physical card, the code is typically on the back, sometimes under a scratch-off panel. For digital gift cards, check the email or message that delivered it to you. Type the code exactly as shown. Avoid spaces or dashes unless they're clearly part of the code, and double-check for lookalikes like O versus 0. Taking a moment here prevents redemption errors. When you're confident the code is correct, tap Redeem. The system will validate the code, and in a moment, you should see a confirmation that the balance has been added to your account. That's it. The hard part is over. From now on, your DoorDash gift card balance will automatically apply at checkout. If your order total is higher than your balance, DoorDash will use the remaining amount from your saved payment method. If your balance is higher than the order total, the leftover amount stays in your account for next time. You can view your balance anytime in payment methods or wallet to keep track of what's left. A few quick tips before we wrap up. Gift cards are typically region-specific, so make sure you're redeeming in the same country where the card was purchased. Keep your code secure until it's redeemed, and always enter it in the official DoorDash app or website. If you see an error, recheck the code carefully and ensure your app is up to date. And that's how to use a DoorDash gift card. Simple, fast, and ready for your next order.